On Windows 11, you can create shortcuts for files, folder, apps, and website. Shortcuts are links that point to a specific location or files for faster access, saving your time. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to create desktop shortcut on Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Right click on the desktop, select New, and choose the shortcut option. Click the Browse button. Select the file to access a shortcut. And click the OK button. Click the Next button. Confirm name for the shortcut. Click the Finish button. Hope you understand. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.